Hello. Today, let's set up a hammock. A hammock comes from the Spanish hamaca, borrowed from Taíno and Arawak hamaca. This is a sling made of fabric, rope, or netting suspended between two or more points, used for swinging and sleeping or resting for power naps. It normally consists of one or more cloth panels, or a woven network of twine or thin rope stretched with ropes between two firm anchor points, such as trees or posts. We will use two trees, okay? The hammocks were developed by native inhabitants of the America for sleeping as well as the English. Later, they were used aboard ships by sailors to enable comfort and maximize available space by explorers or soldiers traveling in wooded regions, and eventually by parents in the early 1920s for containing babies just learning to crawl. Today, they are popular around the world for relaxation. They are also used as a lightweight bed on camping trips. The hammock is often seen as a symbol of summer, leisure, relaxation, and simple, easy living. For non-spreaded bar stars, the way they are hung is critical for comfort. Generally, a higher attachment point is preferred, as well as sufficient length between the points. Through this, two-dimensional can be adjusted to compensate for lack in one or the other. The optimal angle of the attaching lines of the post wall trees is usually about 30 degrees. Hammocks can be attached to the anchor points using a variety of expensive systems, including ropes and webbing straps. We're going to use here a strap, and we use two anchor points. One anchor point is on the right side, and the other is the tree on the left side. And we wrap around the ropes around of the trees in an upright position, and then we get it into position with the hammock. Then you can see the hammock is in style, okay? Touch 1 can lie in the hammock lengthwise or across its wide. Most hammocks are best used with a diagonal position, as it provides the most room and support. To a better shape of the hammock, we're going to use these two lines for it. They were made of aluminium, and they are for the stabilization of the hammock system. This we get in position on each side of the hammock, and then we are nearly ready. Users with back and joint pains often report some relief from these problems when sleeping in a hammock in this manner. That's really cool to use that. It's a cheap and easy attached hammock system, as you can see. The hammock is a good solution for summer, leisure, relaxation, and simple, easy living. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.